Hey guys, Mike Depositor with Heartland RV here in the all-new 375 Road Warrior. Got a couple neat things I want to run you guys through with this floor plan. Again, for this year, we're solid surface throughout the coach. We're using the large RV refrigerator standard in every model. Everything else we're doing is going to be the 21-inch Furrion 3-burner range, the large 30-inch over-the-range microwave. Guys, this year also a neat feature is we're heading to the JBL Hi-Fi sound system. So the JBL Hi-Fi sound system comes standard with 3 zones and the subwoofer. Directly underneath, you'll notice that we also have the fireplace. We're doing large, nice residential style furniture, extremely plush, comfortable to sit in. Something that as you go traveling that you're gonna feel comfortable sitting in and relaxing if it's raining outside or if you're just trying to take some time to relax. These all come standard with our Mcd Roller Shades. Nice thing here, guys, is completely blackout. So real nice, easy pull down, pull them again, and they go right back up. Hey guys, as we head out here into the garage, there's a couple really neat features I want to touch on for this year. First and foremost is our standard frame welded tie downs. These things are rugged. They're going to make sure your toys are protected when you're traveling down the road. Welded directly to the frame to make sure your stuff's secure. In the garage as well, guys, we're doing the 32-inch TV standard. The nice thing with that television is it's going to work really well with your Happy Jack system. So whether these are down and in their sleeping position, so 2 queen beds, or they're actually set up in your seating position so you can sit back, relax, table included, so you can actually sit out here and have a meal if you'd like. When you head back this direction, one of my favorite areas, 3-season garage wall if you do want to close that up. But if you want to be out here on the party deck's beautiful in the sense that, guys, you have this space, exterior space where you can just sit back and relax. Awning comes standard with this, patio kit comes standard, and when you want to close all this up, it all comes standard with the zero gravity ramp door, so extremely easy to close up. A couple of features in the Road Warrior bathroom that I want to touch on. First and foremost is going to be our residential style solid surface countertops. Guys, the beautiful thing here is we're not using press, we're not using T-mold. This is true residential countertop material. Large medicine cabinets throughout, plenty of places for you to put and store additional items. The showers, the nice thing with the shower is that we're also using a residential shower head with a one-piece fiberglass shower. So again, large showers, large layouts, a very functional bathroom for when you go camping. For more information on the 375 Road Warrior or to walk through it virtually, head to heartlandrvs.com where you can see other additional pictures and the floor plan layout.